Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a MECHAGODZILLA surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our surprise fold, we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it in half like this. So we're going to line up the corners and just fold it down. Next, I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to turn it, and I'm just going to fold down this front flap right down to the corners and fold it right across. Now, to start off with our MECHAGODZILLA face, we're going to begin with the eye up here. So I'm going to start right up here. And we're going to keep this kind of simple, kind of cartoony. So I'm just going to begin here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's going to go up at an angle. Then I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go down and then up like this. Next, we're going to make a little curved line here, and then another one right there. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line across the top. I'm going to make a little line that goes up here. And then a little line that's going to come back here, and then it's going to connect. Starting here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go over. It's going to come down. And we'll go right back up to the eye. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over. It's going to come down to here. And then I'm just going to run this right across the edge. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over. And then we will come up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And up here, I'm going to make lines going to go up, over, and then down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to go over and then up here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go over, and it's going to come up right here. Starting here, I'm going to go down. We're going to go over and then up. Right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. And I'm going to make a couple little curved lines right here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up. And then over here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then over. We'll do the same thing, up and over, and then up and over here, just for some details. Now, over here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and down, up, over, and down. And I'll put one more over here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here, down, over, and up, down, over, and up. Now, just for a couple of little quick details in here, I'm going to add something like this. We're going to go up, over, and then down here on top of the head with a little line over here to kind of start where the spike would be. I'll make a little line that's going to go up, over, and down, and we'll put a little circle shape in here. I'll also make a little line that's going to go up and then over. And a little line that's going to come down here with another one that goes over, just for a little bit of detail. Now, once it's opened up, then we're going to add the details in here. So I'm going to start right up here by just making a line that's going to go down, over, and up for the teeth, and I'm going to do this on each one of these. So we're just going to make the teeth on here, and we'll do the same thing at the bottom. We're going to make this line a little darker here. Now, starting in here, I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to go down at an angle, and then I'm going to go over like this. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to come down at an angle right to there. I'm going to start here by bringing this line up and then over. And I'm going to bring this line down to about here. Starting here, I'm going to make lines going to go up and over, and then another one up and then over here. Then starting here, I'm going to add a little line or two just for some details, and maybe one that goes up and then over here. Now, I'm going to draw his big kind of like, fire heat ray coming out of here. So I'm going to just start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out to here, and then another one that's going to come out to here. And I'm just going to go and take this all the way to the end of the paper. Now, when I close this up, I'm going to have my little MECHAGODZILLA face, and then when I open it up, I'm going to have him blasting his big fire ray. And we're going to use lots of different colors of like red and things to really make this stand out and pop out. Now, you can leave this just like this, or if you want to, you can add a little bit of detail in here. I'm going to come in here and just add a few little extra lines in here just for a little bit of detail on my MECHAGODZILLA. I just feel like he's missing a little bit of something, so I'm going to make a few little kind of extra lines on here. And this is something you do not have to do, but I just think it's going to look cool and just add a little more detail to him. You can add just some extra little shapes right around here just to make it look a little bit cooler. Add a few little details around here. Some extra things just to kind of make it pop out a little bit more. I'm going to add a little extra line right around the eye. And you can even go and just add like some little circle shapes in here too, just to make it look a little more robotic. Then when I open it up, I'm going to add just a couple little extra lines right around some different areas. I'm going to kind of stay away from some of these areas just because I don't want to add extra details in there. I'm going to add a couple little circle shapes for like some screws. And there you go, there is your drawing of the MECHAGODZILLA Surprise Fold. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.